A Burton's legless lizard preys exclusively on other reptiles. Most run for their lives. Not the golden-tailed gecko. Being small and camouflaged gives him some protection, but not from the sun. He needs shade, and only the length of a credit card. He'll slot in perfectly just there. Legless Lizard's eyesight is attuned to the slightest movement. When this little lizard feels threatened, it goes on the offensive. A goo-slinging gecko. The liquid is harmless, but so sticky and smelly, it's enough to repel even the deadliest hunter. Slowly but surely, he takes shelter.